Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to solve the 3 assignments of week 3. Before going to presentation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. In assignments, is there any changes in the answers will be notified in the comment section before the due date of the particular assignments, and it's helpful to others and support to them. Thank you. Hi, this is the assignment 3, question number 2 of the introduction to C programming in C. In last video, I solved the question number 1 of the assignment 3. Here we are going to solve the question number 3 and 2. Now what is the due date means 16th February of this one. Now what is the first question they have to given? See, write a C function to find the kth occurrence of the odd integer in a sequence of non-negative integers, and then call the function from the main method. We can call the function. What is the function they want to use means find odd. Then you have to pass in the one argument from the main function into sub functions, and you can declare the one function as it is like that. And what is the input you want to give here means you can give the two types of inputs you want to give. Let's see what is the input you want to give and what is the output you can get. See, here we can give the input as a two lines. The one input, there is a first line of contains positive integer k. That is what is the input you want to search. That means in which occurrence, that is a kth occurrence means in which occurrence if the particular odd number will be occur. That is the occurrence you can give. Suppose my input is 2, I can give. And what is the second line input contains means you will give the sequence of numbers and all the numbers of and terminated to the -1, and you have to find the kth occurrence of any odd integer in the sequence. That means kth occurrence is what is the second integer, second occurrence, what is the get output, that is a odd number you can get as a output, and the -1 is not a part of the sequence number. This is the main two constants we can give the input, right? Then what is the output? If there are k odd numbers in the sequence, then the output, the kth occurrence of an odd number in the sequence, if present, then only can give the kth as a output. If there are less than k odd numbers in the sequence means then you can get the output as a 1. This is the output you have to get. Clear? This is the input you want to give and that's the output you have to give. See here. Now what is the sample input you can give? Here you can give the input, that is a 2, means second position. What is the output we can get? That is a occurrence as a odd numbers means then we can get the output. So what is the odd number you can get occurrence here? 3, that is the output you can get. If it is not here means then you can get the output as a -1. Here see 0th index, second index and then third index. There is a sample input and then output. Now see, it is the source code I have to implement it to solve the given problem, right? See, here I can call one function, that is the main function I have to call here. Here I can declare the one function, that's the find all of int k. That's a function declaration I have to do, function prototype. And here I can declare the one variable n and kn, that is the kth occurrence of number. Initially I don't know what is the n value, then initially I can take the kn value is a 0. Then I can read the n value. What is the n value I can read? Suppose I can read the n value as a 2 and kn equal to find odd of n, means I can declare the function. Here I can send the n value as a argument from the main method into sub function. Whenever I can call, then the particular function will be executed. Here I can take the k value is a n, that is a k value is a 2, and here I can declare the variable c is a 0 and nk. I can declare the variable as a 0 and do while I can using the loop. Then print %d, I can read a. What is the a value? Suppose I can give the a value is a 1 initially. Now a modular division by 2 means here you can find the odd occurrence, right? A modular division by 2 means what is the a value? 1. 1 modular division by 2 means I can get the output as a 1. 1 is not equal to 0, true. And what is the C value initially? C value is 0. 0 is also not equal to, what is the K value? The K value is equal to 2. That is, it is also true. That means both are true in AND gate. Then C is incremented by B. 1 means now K by C value is a 1. Now NK equal to A. What is the A value I can read? Now A value is the 1. Right? Next again, it is a dual. Again now A. What is the A value? A value is a 1. 1 is not equal to minus 1. Now it is the true. True means again the loop will be repeated. Now scan. I can read one more value. Suppose I can read the now A value is a 4. Now what is the A value? A value is a 4. 4 multiplied division by 2 means 0. 0 is not equal to 0 means false. False means in logical AND gate, anyone is a false means false. Then C is not incremented, as well as the K value is also not assigned to the K. Next again is a while loop, is a repeated. Now what is the A value? A value is a 4. 4 is also not equal to minus 1. Now it is the true. True means again loop will be repeated. Now I can read the A value. Suppose now A value is a 3, I can read. I can read means if A modular division by 2, what is A value? 3. 3 modular by 2 means 1. 1 is not equal to 0, true. And what is the C value? C value is a 1. Sorry, C value is a 1. Now 1 is not equal to K value is a 2. It is a true. Both are true means now C plus plus. Already C value is a 1. Now C value is the 2. Now NK equal to A. What is the A value? I can read 3. That will be stored into the NK. Now NK value is the 3. Next again, read A is, what is A value? I can read 3. 3 is not equal to minus 1, 2. Now again read. Suppose if you can read the minus 1. Minus 1 means it will be there, then it will be false. Here it will be terminated. If once it will be terminated, then we can see here can get the output as, whenever it will be true, then you can check if C equal to K. What is the C value I can get here? The C value is the 2. Is equal to now K value is also 2. If it is a true means I can written the NK value. What is the NK value means? NK value is the 3. That will be written. Now that function will be written to the here. Then we say I can get the here output as a NK. What is the NK values? Are as a KN. That is the K1 value is the 3. Now it is a true means it will be executed. Okay. Then you have to see once we compile and run for the local test cases. For the local test cases, it will be fast, and you can check the private test cases also. See, here you have to pass all the 3 test cases. Okay, it is the source code for implementation of the assignment 3 question number 2. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my video, please support. Thank you for the watching my video. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.